Hi, this is the New Jersey Colt label we've been talking about. As you see, it's got a twin screw timing infeed. That's for its original design as a double-sided machine. This label head is non-functional. The other one is operating. If you come down here, I'll show you. You can see the conveyors on. There's a bottle sensor right here, which is the small yellow banner eye. If we place a container in here, passes through, sees that, and advances the next label. There is an eye system here, which is into the program. We're not sure what it's doing or how to correct it. It comes up here on the control panel, Mike. You want to show this over here? This is as a laser fault, and we think it's emanating from here, and it's something wired into the PLC system. We back off a second, Mike. I'll just show you in here. It's the original control system, and it actually matches most of the original schematic which we have, but obviously someone's designed the PLC system to run within certain interfaces, other equipment, upstream, downstream equipment, checking caps, presence, label position, the fill level. But what happens by hitting master reset, it stops that, hit start, it continues again. So we're unable to figure out why that is. Then there's also a reject station at the very end right there, we just saw a little bit of. This was rejecting for whatever parameters were set in the PLC. This is an air-operated pusher. The eye times the pusher here. Then the second arm rod I use sees the container fall in to confirm it's knocked it off the conveyor. Once again, just to show you, we break the beam, it advances the next label, and then reaches this station and stops. We're not sure if it's an alignment of the eye problem or something built into the program. But in the last day of playing around with it, we're unable to correct it. I have a call into the former owner, see if he remembers anything about it. Otherwise, you may have to go and contact these folks right here, Automation Controls and Design in Pennsylvania. They probably wrote the program for this because we're unable to get any information to diagnose it or change it. And in the case of a lot of these labelers, sometimes it's much more cost effective since all the drives are operating, they're all 110 DC. The DC boards are in there. You take it, strip it out, put your own controls on, which would be very simple. Run the conveyor, advance the label, because the labeler head is working fine. It sees a container, advances the label, stops at the next bottle, which is indicated, which is the result of it breaking a beam here, where it sees the space between the label on the label web, and probably be much better and more usable that way.
Okay, thank you very much.